What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about the Air Jordan 1 lows and mids. So before we get started with the video, let me tell you one thing. I'm requesting you to kindly watch this video in full and not just skip forward and get to the point where I talk about the top 5 colorways, because any which ways most of you guys know which are the top 5 colorways in those shoes, but the point is how we get there and what we talk around it, which is why I'm requesting you to kindly watch this video in full, and then probably you can decide to ask me further what you want. Alright, so back with another topic. Today, like I said, we are going to talk about the Jordan 1 lows and mids, because let's face it, no one really talks a lot about them, but at the end of the day, they are all selling out in India. So it's time we speak about them, and I also tell you about how you could probably buy them on retail. So before we get started with that, let me tell you I have one in each, that is one Air Jordan 1 low and one Air Jordan 1 mid to show you guys. I do not have all the top 5 colorways that I'm going to share with you guys today, but nevertheless I have the best ones of both to show you today. So if you're new and you don't have an idea about them, then you'll probably get a nice look at them, and probably you could consider getting into the Jordan games after all. So talking about them, let's first talk about how you could buy them on retail in India. So basically I have made a video some time back where we've spoken about how to buy Jordans on retail in India. Nevertheless, we'll quickly go over it once again in relation specifically to these two silhouettes only. So basically all the Jordan 1 lows and mids drop in almost all the stores that officially retail Nikes and Jordans. That is Super Kicks, Wedge Non Wedge, Nike's own stores in a couple of cities. Now Nike, I understand, has a couple of conceptual stores here and there, so I'm not very sure which stores really carry them, if the dedicated Jordan store or regular Nike store. I don't have an idea about that at all. You could just call all the Nike stores in your city and find out where do they drop. Any which way, so apart from that, they also drop on the Nike Sneakers India platform, which is still a website and not an app, but nevertheless it's pretty easy to cop from there. Easy in the sense, if you are quick enough and on time. Easy does not mean that every person who goes to purchase gets one. So that's about these sneakers where they drop on retail. Now apart from this, what's also important for you guys to know is that we at Metro also drop all the lows and mids almost every week, like couple of them at retail prices only. So make sure to click the link in description box below, and you can also see what's dropping this week in the steel section on Metro. So the point basically with Metro was, apart from giving access to all the hype sneakers and Jordan 1 highs and stuff like that, we also wanted to continuously provide all the mids and lows, you know, the sneakers that most people could actually afford and really want them to get into the sneaker game. So that was the idea behind Metro, which is why we keep dropping a lot of mids and lows in the steel section on Metro on retail prices. So once again, make sure to check that out. Now before we get into the top 5 colorways of Air Jordan 1 mids and lows, by the way, it's kind of confusing, so I'm going to be telling you about the top 5 colorways which I'm naming it as on budget, because we are only going to talk about the ones that have released in India and the ones that are pretty much easily available on resale. We'll also talk about the resale prices and how you could probably get it at the best price possible. And apart from that, after that, I will also be talking about the all-time top 5 colorways of mids and lows. So without wasting any more time, let's open these sneakers up and then let's get to the top 5 topic. So here is a pair of Jordan 1 mids and a pair of Jordan 1 lows. So the only key point about these sneakers for those who are new here, like you all know about the Air Jordan 1 highs, these are the Air Jordan 1 mids which sit slightly lower on the ankle, and these are the Air Jordan 1 low version which sits below the ankle. So that is the basic difference between the Air Jordan 1 low, mid and high. Now Air Jordan 1 highs are extremely hyped, and we all know what prices they resell at about 35,000 rupees to upwards of maybe a lakh. Now the same thing is not really happening with Jordan 1 mids and lows. because they're not really as hyped and people haven't really accepted them how they should have been. Although personally I really love the lows. I do not really have a problem with the mids, but lows I personally prefer a lot. So basically the resale prices for mids and lows always varies between say about 12,000 rupees for the lows to about 20 to 25,000 rupees for the highs. Everything depends on the colorways. Now talking about the colorways, what you need to know about the value of mids and lows is what kind of colorways should you actually go for. Now mids and lows do come out in a lot of colorways, like tons of colorways, but basically the ones that stand out from everything else is the color blocking that they use, which is similar to the Air Jordan 1 highs. Now these for example are the reverse breads, which you must have seen in the reverse bread Jordan 1 high 85 that recently released, and this one right here in the mid is the Chicago colorway, which again I do not need to tell you about much because Chicago is also one of the iconic and the OG colorways of the Air Jordan 1s. Any which ways, talking about the resale of mid and lows, now the sneaker trend is really catching up in India, so not a lot of people can actually afford all the highs and the Jordan 3s and the 4s and the 5s, which are way more expensive than these. The lows usually retail for about 9,000 rupees and the mids retail for about 10,000 rupees if I'm not mistaken. I'm not very sure on that. So either ways, the mids and lows are going to perform well in India because we are always going to have a higher demand. And apart from that, for people who already are into sneakers and you guys keep asking me about the better colorways of mids and lows, that is the reason why I'm making this video today. So just to sum it up all, if you are a sneakerhead already and you know about sneakers, you own some sneakers before and you're looking to decide on a particular colorway of mids and lows, then like I said, you should definitely target the ones that come out in the similar color blocking like the Air Jordan 1 highs, and obviously you will have to buy them at resale prices because they do sell out pretty early unless you subscribe to the Metro membership and have a better chance at getting them on retail. For the rest of you guys who are just looking to enter into the sneaker game and are pretty much interested and attracted with the kind of lows and mids that keep dropping on the website and are comparatively pretty easier to obtain at retail, then you can definitely go in for any color. But please do keep in mind, if you go in for a random colorway and not the kind of colorways that I have explained in this video, then they are not going to have resale pretty much. But keeping in mind that you are buying a Jordan 1 low, for example, for 9,000 rupees and you intend to wear them day in and day out, you shouldn't even bother about reselling them because they are going to be your go-to daily sneakers. Alright, so all being said, let's come to the point. I'm going to now tell you about my top 5 colorways for the Air Jordan 1 low and mid together on a budget. On a budget, let me repeat myself what I mean by that. On a budget means the ones that have released in India and are pretty easy to buy on resale. That is about 12 to 14,000 for lows and about 20 to 25,000, or maybe in some cases even as low as 15,000 for the mids. So at number 5 I would let's do one thing. Let's start with number 1 this time. So at number 1 I would put the Jordan 1 low reverse bread because like I said, personally I like the lows better than even highs, so mids are obviously out of the question for me. But nevertheless, so that's number 1 for me. At number 2 I would put probably the Jordan 1 low smoke rays. You can see that on the screen. So this colorway is basically inspired by the Dior Jordan 1 lows which I have, and they are in fact on first look pretty similar to that, so definitely I would put that at number 2. At number 3 I would put probably the Jordan 1 low in the gym red, which is pretty much like Chicago except for the black, it's just red and white. Or if not that, I would probably put the UNC Jordan 1 lows because UNC is also a beautiful colorway. Now moving on to number 4, at number 4 I would put the Jordan 1 mids because why they're coming at number 4 is because I personally like the lows better, which is why if you're okay with mids, then these are definitely at par with these at number 1. Any which way, so Jordan 1 mid Chicago at number 4 because of the obvious reason that it is inspired by the OG Chicago colorway and they look pretty much like the Jordan 1 highs. I mean, if you are a newbie or a fresher, you wouldn't even realize if it's a mid or a high. So definitely these come at number 4, and again at number 5 will be the smoke grey version of these, which are obviously, like I said, inspired by the Dior Jordan colorway. So that's about it. Alright, now before I end this video, let's quickly go over my all-time top 5 Jordan 1 mids and lows. At number 1 obviously is the Jordan 1 low Dior's, which I already own. At number 2 would obviously be the Travis Scott Jordan 1 low, because they follow after the Dior's in terms of its limited nature and it being an iconic collab. At number 3 I would put the Jordan 1 low Eric Costin in the UNC colorway. That's one of my favorite Jordan 1 lows ever, but unfortunately I wasn't able to buy them. At number 4 I would put another Jordan 1 low, which is the Paris, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's called Paris, the Jordan 1 lows. Again, a beautiful sneaker and looks extremely rich and subtle and elegant. So that comes at number 4. And at number 5 finally I would put one of my personal favorite Jordan 1 mids, which is the Milans. So you should definitely go and check them out. So that's all for today. Do let me know in the comments below what you feel about the Jordan 1 lows and the Jordan 1 mids. And also, if you're watching till here, then please do not forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Probably we'll continue with the vlog that we stopped last. So stay tuned and peace. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. चलना भाई, चालू करना भाई.